Everyone, today I'm going to go over the pelvic bone, also known as the coxal bone. I'm going to first kind of tell you how you can identify if you're looking at a left or a right, and then from there you can identify landmarks a lot easier. So the auricular surface, which is this right here, this rough surface, this is medial because it articulates with the sacrum. So you know that's a medial view, and then because it's facing forward, you know it's anterior. Okay, so now let's walk through each of the portions. So you've got three portions. You've got the ilium, which is from where my fingers are up, ilium, the pubis, which is this front, and then the ischium, which is back here. So ilium, pubis, and ischium. I'm going to go through all the medial structures first. So everything that's going towards the midline. So this is the auricular surface for articulation with the sacrum. Then you have the posterior superior iliac spine, which is this structure right here. Then the posterior inferior iliac spine, which is this structure right here. And we curve down for the greater sciatic notch, the ischial spine, and the lesser sciatic notch. Then in the back we have the ischial tuberosity, which is all of this rough surface right here. That's the ischial tuberosity. And then the ischial ramus, which is where the bone, if you're seeing this or holding one, it kind of looks like the bone's curving. That's the ischial ramus. And then we have the location of the pubic symphysis, which is here. So if you have the bone and you have two of them, the pubic symphysis is that cartilage that sits right there. We have the pubic tubercle, which is this structure right here, and then the superior ramus of the pubis. We have the acetabulum, which is this big concave surface right here. This is where the head of the femur articulates with the pelvis. Then we have the anterior inferior iliac spine, which is here, and the anterior superior iliac spine, which is here. And then the iliac crest is the top, right there. All right, and now we're looking at a lateral view, so the side view. You've got the ala, or the wing, which is all of this flat portion right here. You've got the posterior gluteal line, which you really can't see on this model. This is actually a really bad model. Okay, and then we have the posterior superior iliac spine, and the posterior inferior iliac spine is here. So when you're trying to identify the anterior superior iliac spine or the posterior superior iliac spine, you've got the front right here, so you know that's anterior, and then this is posterior because it's going towards the back.